Our ingredients, so minced garlic, butter 50 grams, so you can add more if you want, then mint and parsley. The next one is black pepper, and we have salt, then 7-Up or Sprite, then our sweet soy sauce, then our prawns. Half kilo, 1 kilo, it's up to you, and a half lemon. So guys, bago po tayo mag-start sa ating pagluluto, baka naman please click naman po the like, subscribe, and hit nyo na rin po ang notification bell para ma-notified kayo sa mga videos na aking i-upload. And please comment down below kung meron po ba kayong napansin na medyo kailangan ko bang improve o nagustuhan niyo po ba. So, please free to comment below. So, binabasa ko po yan and I'm trying my best para po i-reply lahat. So, please support my channel and let's go! So, first is, let's clean the prawns by doing this. Well, I'm cutting this legs or antennas, whatsoever, diba? Para mas magandang tingnan yung ating dish na walang mga mahabang sinulid. So, then let's cut the back side of the prawns kasi tatanggalin natin yung black thread o yung intestine ng shrimp. Just pull it out. It's much easy like that. And that's it. So, one hugatan lang. Let's try another one. Let's cut all of this. Okay, let's cut and then cut at the back so we can take it out the intestine. So not good if we're going to eat the intestines, right? Kasi malansa siya. It's only like that. It's easy, right? So it's already clean. See? No more intestines. So let's start. Now let's marinate the prawns. Then we can put salt and black pepper. Then we're going to add 1 cup of 7-Up. So it's up to you if you want the whole 7-Up, it doesn't matter. It's fine. Then I just mix it well para lahat marinated, diba? Well, if you already planned to make a buttered shrimp for tomorrow, so you can marinate it overnight. At kung hindi naman, nagmamadali, 30 minutes marination is fine. So let's start by melting our butter. So 50 grams butter, and if you want to add more, it's okay. Then while melting the butter, we can add our minced garlic para it will not burn. So it will be bitter if we burned all of this. So we have to cook it in a low heat. Bakit ba ako nabibisaya? Isa naman akong pure Tagalog. So So let's just wait until it turns to light brown. So remember not to burn it. So let's add our prawns. So let's mix it. And remember not to overcook our prawns, because if we overcook our prawns, yung skin niya is didikit sa laman. So pag binuksan natin yung shrimp, sasama yung laman niya. So pag nag-turn to color orange yung shrimp, so it's almost done. We can add black pepper and salt to taste. So it's up to you. You can add or no. And now we can add our lemon. 2 tablespoons of lemon, it's okay. And now we can put our mint and parsley. So the others don't put mint, but I prefer to put mint, so to enhance the essence and to lessen the fishy smell of the shrimp, so it's better to put it. So let's just mix it very well. Now we can add 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Let's just simmer it for another 5 minutes. Then let's taste it. And we're done. So here is my buttered garlic prawns. So actually this is my first time that I tried it. The first one is prawns biryani. So if you want to check it out on how I did it, please look down in my description below on how I make my prawns biryani. So now we will try to open it. See? Yung skin niya, hindi siya nag-stick sa flesh ng shrimp. So it's juicy. Hindi po siya dry. Pag nag-overcook yung shrimp, it's dry, then yung skin niya is nag-stick sa flesh ng ating prawns. So guys, until here, thank you for watching!